I'm Bo with Kärcher, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Kärcher 60/10C Eco. But before I show you the Kärcher 60/10C, I'd like to tell you a little bit about why we developed it. You see, in talking to customers, we kept hearing repeatedly that they needed a solution between a mop and bucket and an auto scrubber, both in form and function as well as price. You see, customers told us that mops and buckets were great because they were inexpensive, they could get spills quickly, and they were good at getting into small spaces. However, mops and buckets don't recover water well, leaving the floors wet and dirty, creating a potential for a slip and fall hazard, and they're not very productive. Auto scrubbers, on the other hand, are very productive. Clean floors well, recover the water, but they require a lot of maintenance. People have to make sure batteries are charged, training's involved. Enter the Kärcher 60/10C Eco. It's a new category of equipment, not replacing either a mop and a bucket or an auto scrubber. It's a new category called the AutoMop. There are 4 key features about the Kärcher 60/10C Eco. The first is safety. The Kärcher 60/10C Eco recovers all the water it puts down, reducing slip and fall hazards. Additionally, the ergonomics of using a machine like this are far better than the ergonomics of wringing out mops and swinging a mop back and forth. Hygiene. The Kärcher 60/10C Eco always cleans with clean water. In areas where noise is a concern, it operates at less than 52 decibels. Productivity. 5 times more productive than a mop and a bucket, and more productive than a 20-inch pad assist auto scrubber. And finally, simplicity. There are no cords, no batteries, and no motors on the Kärcher 60/10C Eco. Let's take a look at the configurations that you can purchase this unit in. In the detail configuration, you have not only the auto mopping functions of the Kärcher 60/10C Eco, but you have a bucket up front that can be filled with mop water. In this configuration, it's designed to save trips back to the janitor's closet. The user can auto mop down hallways and, for example, mop small tile areas in a classroom, or auto mop down a hallway and mop restrooms. This configuration is a productivity configuration. In this configuration, the Kärcher 60/10C Eco is designed to primarily function as an auto mop with the ability to still mop small spaces. For example, auto mopping down a hallway and mopping under a locker or in a small doorway. The final configuration is the hygiene configuration. This configuration has a cleaning caddy that will allow you to carry any other cleaning instruments you might need. For example, glass cleaner and towels. You may be able to carry extra flat mops. Whatever you need to get the job done in your facility. The scrub pad on the Kärcher 60/10C Eco has a unique design that provides multiple cleaning edges and funnels the water towards the squeegee. The water collects along the squeegee and comes back to the recovery plate where it's pulled into the system. Once it's in the system, the check valve keeps it in there. On the front of the scrub pad, you'll find the green tack strip. This is designed to eliminate the need to dust mop. The wheel in the back of the Kärcher 60/10C Eco operates a pump that pulls the water through the tube and into the recovery bucket in the front of the machine. To begin using your Kärcher 60/10C Eco, lower the scrub deck, turn the water on, and begin pushing. Within 10 to 15 seconds, in a very short time, you'll hear the water being pulled into the system and recovered into the recovery bucket. When you're finished using your Kärcher 60/10C Eco, you'll need to lift the deck and be aware that there will be a few drips because there's no batteries, no cords, and no motors to maintain. So, grab your flat mop and you're ready to wipe up anything that's left. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Kärcher 60/10C Eco.